Okay, Dee, what are we making today for our YouTube video?
Pasta.
Pasta con tonno. Pasta with tuna. And we have some beautiful ingredients. We got sun-dried tomatoes, olives, tuna. We have some parsley. We're gonna put it in a cherry tomato sauce with some heavy cream. Easy, easy, easy. So I'm just gonna prep my ingredients. So tuna. Always use a good tuna when you're using it for your pasta dishes. Now Dante, what kind of tuna do we use?
Italian.
Italian tuna packed in olive oil. And then you just drain it and get them ready to go. Just get your tuna prepared. So just leave them in big chunks. That's our tuna, nice.
And
now sun-dried tomatoes. Good.
And now we put it back in.
And now we're just gonna get our parsley chopped to the stove. While the water is heating up and our pasta gets cooked, we're gonna make our sauce. Olive oil goes in. Garlic.
Check.
You get spicy, Dante?
Yep.
Okay, good. Sun-dried tomatoes.
Ooh, I like.
Parsley. Olives go right in.
Italian tuna. Some tomatoes. Ooh, I like.
We're just gonna crush some of the tomatoes just like this. See, look at it, we're gonna crush. Just with the back of our spoon, crush, see?
Ooh, yummy.
It's looking good, Dee.
Thank you. Dad,
Yeah?
it's some parsley. Can we put it on?
Good tip, Dante, you throw nothing out. You consume, you use up everything. Right, Georgia?
Yeah.
You got it. Go, Dee, all the way. Throw it in. Look at that technique, bud. Look at that technique.
Dad, what are you making?
We're making pasta con tonno.
Oh, Dad, the garlic.
You're right, Dante. At a certain point, you just remove the garlic. It's done its job. Just discard it right there. We don't need it no more. It's done its job.
Bye-bye, babies.
Bye-bye, garlic. We like you, but we don't like you that much when our breath smells. It's done its job, Dante, and that's it. It's looking good. Water is boiling, so what do we put in? Some salt.
Salt.
Nice. You just need to give it a stir for the first 5-10 seconds. So this is gonna cook and be ready in about 7-8 minutes, and we're gonna pull it out pre-al dente. So while the pasta is cooking, we're gonna add a little bit of whipping cream right here. Just going to give it a mix. See if it's al dente here. Is it good? Al dente, buono. Now it's going into the pan. A little bit of pasta water. Come here, Dante, how does it look?
Good.
There it is, Dante. Lastly, Dante, un po' di Parmigiano. How's it look, Dante? Look like snow?
Yeah. But it isn't. It's cheese.
It's Parmigiano. A little bit of foil. Now, sometimes people say Parmigiano doesn't go with tuna, but they're wrong. They're so wrong. Now, Dante, it's the taste test. This is comfort food for me. This is one of the earliest recipes I ever made when I was 14, 15. We made pasta con tonno, pasta with tuna, a little bit of cream. Amazing. How is it? No, seriously, how is it?
Awesome. It's so creamy.